Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Complications of the appendectomy. So what are the major causes? The major complication is the wound infection. So wound infection is major. So this wound infection, it occurs in about 5 to 10%. So wound infection is in 5 to 10%. Then comes the intra-abdominal. So there's an intra-abdominal abscess. So this intra-abdominal abscess, it amounts to about 8%. Then comes the post-operative ileus. So post-op ileus. So this post-op ileus is present. Then there is a respiratory complications. There are some respiratory complications. Next is the venothromboembolism. So venous thromboembolism, and there is also the presence of the portal pyoma. There can be presence of the portal pyoma. So portal pyema, and there is a septicemia in the portal venous system. There is septicemia, and this is in the portal venous system, and it can lead to the hepatic abscess. So this can lead to the hepatic abscess. Then there is the adhesive. So there is presence of the adhesive intestinal obstruction. So the adhesive intestinal obstruction is about 1 to 3%. So this is 1 to 3% and is the most common late post-op complication. So adhesive intestinal obstruction is the most common late post-op complication. Then comes the fecal fistula. There is presence of the fecal fistula and the port-site hernias. The port-site hernias as well as the appendicocutaneous fistula. There is presence of the appendicocutaneous fistula or the appendicovesicular fistula. Appendicular vesical fistula. So this is rare. Next we move on to the mortality. So in terms of the mortality after the appendectomy, mortality after the appendicectomy. So here it is nothing but less than 1%. So the important ones are the wound infection and adhesive intestinal obstruction, which is 1 to 3%. That is the most common late post-op complication. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.